How to share project on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can share your project on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to share project on CapCut PC, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up your CapCut right on your PC and open up the project that you would like to share. So I'm on the editing here, you can see my timeline. Now here, once you're on the project on CapCut, once you're editing, you'll find the share icon at the top right corner. You can see Zoom Pro options inside on App Pro, and beside that you can see the share icon right away. So you can tap on share option there and it'll give you the option here, export and share. So you can see you can add in the name here, then you can add in space here, then you can select the resolutions if you have any. It swaps its resolution and format. You can see the frame rate, then tap on export and share, and now you can go ahead and export and share. In order to do that, I'll have to sign in, so I'll just be not doing so, but you can go ahead and use this particular option and go to the prompts to share. So this is how you can share project on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.